Imagine you have a wedding, an important work event, or maybe just a fun night out planned, and you don't have a thing to wear. Sound familiar? Or maybe you simply don't have time to shop. Or how about after spending hours shopping for the perfect outfit that is also within your budget, you find out the outfit isn't even available in your size and won't be for another week? Well, the future of at-home 3D printing will soon revolutionize the fashion industry. The days of sewing machines, fittings, and alterations as we now know it will be changing in the future. Waiting days, weeks, or even months for garments and apparel to be completed by human hands won't be necessary. As the rise of 3D printers will be a common fixture in our homes. It's not surprising since 3D printed single-story homes have hit the market in the United States and the Netherlands. Imagine you can't find your other shoe. No problem. You can just print another one. Just make sure you don't end up with two left shoes. A future filled with fashion and accessory utopia is where we are headed. 3D printers will have customizable settings for your exact measurements. Experts say raw materials will be used to print out a newly designed wardrobe or recycle old clothes for a fresh new look. What is the benefit to all of this other than ease and convenience to humans, you ask? Consumption of clothing from 3D printers will significantly reduce the number of animals killed each year to produce items such as leather. Rusty? Seriously? Sorry folks, Rusty has gone rogue and made a 3D piñata. Moving on. 3D printers will be able to break down materials, recycle old materials, melt and produce clothing by the touch of a screen from an app in a matter of minutes. Industry experts say this will help those in need, and 3D printed clothes and shoes could help on a larger scale by getting donated supplies out quicker. Fashion experts believe at-home 3D printers will give consumers more affordable options and also better choices and opportunities to acquire the hottest styles and trends. For the entry-level hobbyist, you can purchase a 3D printer anywhere between $200 to $500. How much will the future of at-home fashion 3D printers cost? Well, we shall wait and see. But of course, affordability is essential for the mainstream. Like anything new, it takes time to adjust and adapt to new science and technology. Nevertheless, the wave of the future is getting closer. Exciting times are ahead. Thanks for watching and stay safe and well.